Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. If you have the DJI Air 3S, Air 3, or Spectrum drone, and you are one of the unfortunate few that did not get the charger for your battery, you guys know how hard it is to charge these batteries if you've been using these like I have for a little while. So let's say you did not invest in the charger, but you want to be able to charge these batteries on a regular basis. Let me show you a product that was just recently sent out to me. Now, I have tested this product before. I have seen use case scenarios for it. All right, guys, so this is the product that we're looking at. This is the LKTOP. This is a 200-watt 3-battery charger. So we're going to unbox this, take a look at exactly what you get in the box. All right, so you will receive a starter manual that kind of walks you through how to use this charger, but I think it's going to be pretty self-explanatory, so we're going to just walk through it together. You also receive a USB-C to USB-C cable. This is a 100-watt cable. As you guys see, it's printed right there, 100 watts. All right, so here's the charger. This is the bottom of it. Here is the front section of the charger, and here is where your batteries are going to fit in. So the batteries, just like the original charger, just slot in like so. They're going to lock in place. And you can see already it's telling us what the percentage is of the battery. So this battery right now is at 96%. It'll also give you some other information about your battery. So if you guys are looking at it from this perspective, it's going to give you your voltage, your ohms, temperature, all of that information right here. All right, so let's plug this into some power and see exactly how long it takes to charge up the batteries. Now, if you notice back here, you actually have 3 USB-Cs back here for connecting it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an extreme test in the field, how I would normally have this out or simulated to that. So if I was out in the field and I needed to charge up my drone battery, I would normally connect something like this to an external power source, like a battery or a power bank or something like that. So that's what we're going to do here. We're just going to connect it to this little power bank here and see how well this does. All right, so there is our connection. You need to actually plug it in right here, and you guys can see now the amount of power that's going into the battery as it's charging in real time. Now, what's odd about this is that it needs to be upside down for you to see this, so the battery goes in from the bottom. And I guess you would sit it, maybe, possibly like that. I probably wouldn't, but regardless. Now, what I'm reading here is that the maximum is 100 watts. You do need at least a 60 to 100 watt charging brick in order to get the most efficient way of charging one of these up. So, yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. So I think this is going to be ideal, you know, for someone who did not invest in the Fly More combo, but yet you have multiple batteries and you need to be able to charge those batteries on a regular basis. This could be an excellent solution. So I'm going to pull the other battery out of the drone and see what the power level is on that one. And then we're going to pop this battery in as well. And that one is at 98%, as you guys see here. But it's also charging that battery. You can see right here. So yeah, this is a really nice little charger, guys. So if you're looking for a compact, travel-friendly charger, this could be exactly what you're looking for. So definitely check this guy out. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just wanted to show you this little charger and some of the cool features of it. I love this little screen on here. I think this is probably one of the most interesting things about it, is that it has this little LCD screen here to kind of give you an indication of your battery levels as well as you know, your charging rate. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe, peace. I'm out.